Hi everyone, the Spider-Man here. Well, second video for today everyone. So I'm going to be feeding my giant rainforest mantis today, my female, and I'm going to let her hunt the prey down herself. So I'm just going to get a red runner roach. I'm just going to pop the roach inside and let her take it down herself. So let's get started. So everyone, I've picked out a roach. And I will actually be taking her out of this enclosure next molt, because she is getting fairly big now. So I'm going to get the roach now and put it in, and let's get started. So everyone, I have the roach there, so let's just quickly take the lid off, only a little bit, and just put the roach in. There we go. Oh, I nearly missed the tape then guys. Oh, she's got it. Oh wow, that was fantastic, that was. She didn't waste no time there guys. She was straight on it. She must be rather hungry, so let's get a little bit closer. There we go everyone. And a little bit closer there, and oh my god, she's eating this meal so fast. I only fed her a couple of days ago. So as you can see, she's definitely hungry. I know mantis eat very, very quickly, but this is probably a world record. She's at nearly half of the roach already. Let's just zoom in a bit more for you guys. There we go, that's a bit better. Sorry everyone, I was going to do a time lapse, but the only problem is my camera's just, it ain't good enough to be fair. I've only got an 8 megapixel camera, so it's just absolutely rubbish. So the quality is just not, it just ain't good enough, I'm afraid. Obviously I'll try and get a new camera one of the days. I did actually buy a new camera. I actually bought a Canon G7X, but it was just, the autofocus was absolutely just shocking on it, and I was a bit surprised really, considering it's a 24 megapixel camera and this is only an 8. So as you can see, she's at half of that roach already, so she must have been absolutely starving. And you can see her mouth hard at work now. So what I'll do is guys, I'll leave the camera running for a couple of minutes, and I'll get back to you soon everyone. So everyone, I thought I'd just change the angle on my camera. So you can see how quickly this roach is being eaten. As you know everyone, she was natural replacement for my beautiful adult female that died. Sorry everyone, I can't get my words out today. So there's not much of that roach left now, and I think it's all being devoured, and there's only a little bit of a leg left. And there's that leg I was on about, there it is just there. So everyone, there you go. A red runner cockroach, completely devoured in less than 10 minutes. What I'll probably do is, everyone, I'll probably give her a feed tomorrow as well. Just fatten her up a little bit. And there you go. I think she's got another little bit of a leg there that she's just grasping in her arm. There you go. She's going to give herself a clean, and we just zoom out a little bit, and you can see now that her abdomen's looking a bit more fatter than it did before she ate her meal. So yeah, she should be full up by now. And sure, yeah, there you go. She's going to start cleaning herself, as mantis do. And thanks for watching, everyone.